Hello, everyone. Welcome to Nana's Easy AI. Before we jump into using AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or other websites, there's one simple thing that makes your life much easier online: having a Google account. Think of your Google account like a master key. Instead of creating a brand new username and password every single time you visit a new AI website, many sites simply let you click Continue with Google. That means your Google account safely helps you log in without filling out long sign up forms over and over again. It saves time. It's easier to remember, and honestly, it's much less confusing. If you already use Gmail, YouTube, or an Android phone, good news. You probably already have a Google account. If you don't have Google account yet, follow this simple steps. First, open up your internet browser on your computer, tablet, or phone. Look right up at the top bar where you type in websites. We are going to type in Google account creation and press enter. On the screen, you'll see a button that says Create Account. Go ahead and click that. A tiny menu will pop up asking who it's for. Just click for my personal use. Now Google is going to ask for your name. Type your first name and last name into the boxes. Month, date, and year you were born, and gender. Next, it's time to pick your new email address. This is just a unique name for your account. Google suggested two Gmail addresses automatically, but I will choose Create My Own Gmail Address. If your name is already taken, don't worry. Google will suggest a few options with numbers, or you can add a word you like, such as gardening or grandma, or 2026 or 1960 when you were born. Here I type Nana's Easy AI. Then the box turned red and said I can use letters, numbers, and period only. So I typed Easy AI, worked without apostrophe. Now time to create passwords. If your password is too easy, this happens. Turn red and says please use a stronger password. It's a good idea to use numbers in your password like God bless me at my zip code or my address, or I love my garden 2026 or 1960, the year you were born. To confirm your password, type again what you just created to confirm. Make sure you write this Gmail and password down on a piece of paper and keep it safe. Now ask in your phone number for verification or QR code you can scan with your phone like this. This process tells Google that you are a human, not a robot. You will get a code on your phone soon after, and you add that code here. You agree on terms and privacy. Now you have your Google account. And once you have a Google account, you now have your master key to many modern AI sites online. You'll be surprised how many websites simply let you click Continue with Google, and you're instantly ready to go. Now, are you ready to explore different AI sites? With Google Master Key, chat with, create messages and cards, write stories, make music. There are many AI tools out there without paying any money to try out. It's never too old to learn. AI is new to all of us. We are pioneers. Thank you for watching Nana's Easy AI, and God bless.
Learning AI can be